Some gases smell bad because their molecules fit odor receptors in our noses in ways the brain interprets as unpleasant, often because those smells have been useful warning signals. A bad smell is not just a property floating in the air. It is a relationship between airborne molecules, the nose, and the brain. Smell begins when volatile molecules enter the nose. Volatile means they can easily become gas or vapor and travel through air. Inside the upper part of the nasal cavity are odor receptor cells. Each type of receptor responds to certain molecular shapes and chemical features. When a molecule binds to receptors, it starts nerve signals that travel to the brain. The brain combines the pattern of activated receptors into the experience of a smell. Many bad-smelling gases contain sulfur or nitrogen. Hydrogen sulfide smells like rotten eggs. It can come from decaying organic matter, sewers, volcanoes, and some industrial processes. Some sulfur compounds from rotting food, garlic, or skunk spray are detectable at extremely low concentrations. Amines, which contain nitrogen, can smell fishy or rotten and are produced when proteins break down. These smells often signal biological decay. When plants, animals, or waste decompose, microbes break down proteins and other molecules. The byproducts can include sulfur compounds, amines, and organic acids. For humans and other animals, noticing these smells can be protective. Spoiled food may contain harmful microbes or toxins. Waste can carry disease. A strong rotten odor can warn us to avoid eating or touching something dangerous. But bad smell does not always mean high danger, and danger does not always smell bad. Hydrogen sulfide is dangerous at high levels, but at very high concentrations, it can actually overwhelm the sense of smell, making it harder to detect. Carbon monoxide is deadly and has no smell at all. That is why gas detectors matter. Natural gas used in homes is also mostly odorless. Utility companies add strong-smelling sulfur compounds called mercaptans so people can detect leaks. In that case, the bad smell is intentionally added as a safety feature. Why do some bad smells seem so powerful? The smell system is closely connected to emotion and memory. Odor information reaches brain areas involved in fear, disgust, and memory more directly than many other senses. A single smell can bring back a vivid memory or trigger a strong reaction before you have time to think. Disgust is part of the story. It is an emotion that helps protect the body from contamination. Bad-smelling gases from rot, sewage, or decay can activate disgust, pushing us away from possible infection. This reaction is not perfect, but it has been useful enough that humans are highly sensitive to certain odors. Some gases smell bad because their molecules activate odor receptors in patterns associated with decay, waste, or chemical danger. The nose detects the molecules, the brain gives them meaning, and the body often responds with avoidance. A bad smell is unpleasant, but it can be a valuable alarm carried through the air.